Hi there guys, and thank you very much for coming out and joining us. We've came out today to a beautiful little woodland spot. It's one of our favourite spots and it's a woodland permission that we have. We've made many a video here, from wild camping to campfire cooking, that sort of thing, and we absolutely love it here. It's a nice little woodland. We've got a stream ambling by there today and we've got ourselves a fire going, and what we're going to do is allow that fire to die down to embers, and we're going to do some primitive cooking directly over them embers. So what we'll do, we'll bring you back along when that's died down and we're ready to cook. Right, the fire's burnt down and we've got a really nice bed of embers on there now, ideal for cooking. And we're going to cook Bushcraft surf and turf, and we've brought out today a nice chunk of Tbone steak. Check that out, that looks absolutely delicious, doesn't it?
Yeah, it does.
It's well matured, beautiful bit of steak from a good butcher's. We've brought some homemade Cajun seasoning and we're going to use that to season the steak up. And we've brought a little lobster, so that's going to be our surf, and these are going to go directly on the embers. And we've brought a little bit of butter, a little bit of lemon juice, and we're going to make some Cajun butter to go in there in the pan, and that's going to be used to dress the lobster. So I think it should be delicious.
Yeah,
so
good.
Let's get on and get it cooking. Right, first of all, we'll season this steak up, and hopefully it works and we don't lose too much of it with heat of the embers. You can feel the heat coming off those embers from here. Now we'll just season a little. Right, we'll get that straight on the coals. Well, that's sizzling away nicely. It smells delicious, doesn't it?
Yeah, it smells amazing.
Let's turn it on and see what it's like. Knock them embers off. Ah, it's cooking nice. Get that out of the way. That is cooking really nice.
Good.
Just give that another few minutes and we'll turn it over again. And then we'll get this lobster in. Right, I think it's safe to put this lobster in there now. I'll get that up the side of it a bit. Steak another flip over, see what it's like. That's cooking lovely, that. Well, that steak looks done, so we'll take that off and let that rest. Nice bit of char on the fat, so we'll just put that there to one side. Let's check this lobster. I'd say that would be heated through, so we'll take the lobster off. Let it cool a touch, prepare it, and we'll get that dressed in the Cajun butter. I'm looking forward to this. Get that on there as well. There we go. Right, we'll get sorted out and we'll get this Cajun butter made. Now we've got the butter melting nicely with a bit of Cajun season. We'll get some of that lobster in. Just get that tossed up in there.
Yeah. Slightly more Cajun seasoning.
Yeah, we'll go a little bit more. Just a little sprinkle. Too much, I think. A little bit more Cajun seasoning. Just like that. Combine a little. Right, where's that lemon? We'll squeeze half a lemon on that as well. Just chuck that in the embers, huh? Whack that where it's a little bit higher heat. Right, we've got a steak there. And get this lobster with some grass. God, that steak smells unreal. That's all got a bit of shell on that one,
Yeah.
not to worry. Pour that lemony, Cajun-y butter over it all. Okay. Right, let's try this out. Choose your
Weapon.
what you going for first. And try a bit of that. Oh my word, that was unbelievable.
It's delicious.
Nice, isn't it?
Yeah.
Oh, look how succulent that steak looks. That just looks absolutely beautiful.
It's really juicy.
Show you again. Just cut some more off down. That is cooked. Absolutely perfect for me. What do you think? It's nice to get back to basics and cook in this method. It's something a bit more primal, something a bit more primitive. It's nice to get back to a little bit more basic, as I said. Our tools, what we use to turn the steak and the lobster, is what we fashioned from what we collected from around the woodland. Same as our eating implements. Do you want some more cutting off?
Yes, please.
Yeah, and it's just a nice thing to do, isn't it? There you go, down.
Thank you.
Well, I thought that was absolutely delicious. I really enjoyed that. I enjoyed cooking it. I enjoyed being out in the woodland, and I've just had a great time. How did you think?
Oh, it was amazing, wasn't it?
Yeah, it was
so
tasty.
Juicy and tasty.
Yeah, it was tasty. I think the lobster might have been a little bit better if we'd boiled it in water, brought it to heat in water, and then prepared it and done it in the butter. It was a little dry, but still tasty nevertheless.
Definitely.
Yeah.
Nice.
Right, we're gonna chill here for a little bit longer before we head back. We'd just like to say thank you very much for joining us. We hope you've enjoyed the video as much as we've been enjoyed being out. You say?
Oh, it was amazing. Loved it.
Loved it. If you're new around here, please check out our other videos and subscribe. Look for up and coming videos. We plan to do a camp here in the coming weeks, plus other videos that we've got in the pipeline. But yeah, once again, thanks for joining us, and bye for now, and as always,
Stay
stay safe.